the distribution of award.
We give the students awards depende dun sa mga kanilang strong points. Wala? Okay. First, unahin ko yung CC12. First we have the Lemon Award. The Lemon Award is given to the person who always cleans. Saka gusto niya palaging fresh yung itsura ng kitchen. The Lemon Award is hereby presented to Janet Caspen for being the most clean and fresh student in commercial. Next, we have the Mint Award. The Mint steady pa rin siya. Okay. The Mint Award is hereby presented to Natalie Doreen Q. Mayabo. The next award is called the Sesame Award. This is given to the most surprising student. So, kasi when you put sesame in a dish, sa una hindi mo napapansin. Pero, biglang malalasahan mo yung sesame. So, this student was the most surprising for CC12. Okay, the Sesame Award is given to RK John M. Walker. The next award is called the Parsley Award. Okay, as you all know, parsley is one of the most flexible and versatile herb in the kitchen. Okay, so this award is given to the most flexible and versatile student. Okay, this award is presented to Miss Marie C. The next award, the Time Award. This award is given to the student who is always on time. Okay, this award is presented to Miss Jessica Therese G. Tuhanyo. the Kain Award.
Kabahan.
This award is presented to the student who is the most hot and the most promising for CC12. Okay. The Kain Award is hereby presented to Vincent John Peter. Next, we have the Saffron Award. The Saffron Award is given to the most creative and original student for CC12. And this award is presented to Arnold Jansen S. Santos. Finally, for the most outstanding student, the TOEFL Award is hereby presented to Mr. Richie B. Natividad. Okay, for CC13, we also have the same award. So, Parsley Award is given to Ms. Manilyn G. Ocampo for being the most flexible and versatile student for CC13.
Sayang. Ella Linog.
Next award, the Sesame Award, is hereby presented to Mary Ann V. Cruz for being the most surprising student.
Oras na lang barkada rete. Anong po yung money? Malayo kaya itong parsley.
The next award, for the most creative and original student, the Saffron Award is hereby presented to Joanna Marie Reyes. Okay, the next award is presented to the student who is most clean and fresh for batch 13. Okay, this award is given to Ms. Mary G. B. Gana. Okay, the next award, we call this the Garlic Award. This award is given to the most hardworking student for commercial cooking. And this award is presented to Miss Mia Lee. Garlic yung isa sa pinaka-award. Kailangan sa lahat. We also have another Garlic Award for CC13, and this award is presented to Mr. Milan D. Soriano. And the last award, the Duke Award for CC13, is presented to or given to the student for being the most outstanding. And this award is presented to Mr. Don B. Cruz.
Thank you, Chef Denise, for the distribution of the award. Next, we go to the distribution of certificates.